Hi, my name is Jessica Stone, Holistic Wellness Practitioner, and I'm here to talk about your crystal grid, the gift with purchase that comes with your Power Gemstone Locket, and the beautiful crystals you get to choose to put inside it to call in whatever you are ready for 2020. With your Power Gemstone Locket, you can choose from 3 different crystal packs. First, we have the Serene Pack. It's made up of amethyst, halite, and rose quartz. Second, we have the Gratitude Package, made up of blue lace agates, lapis, and labradorite. Next, we have Manifestation. It is made up of pyrite, black onyx, and crystal quartz. To set your intentions on your grid, place your citrine in the middle of it. Then place each of your power gemstones in a triangle formation around it, saying positive affirmations to yourself and really connecting in with what your heart is calling for you. Find a sacred space in your home, office, kitchen, wherever you're feeling called to, and place your crystal grid in that place and visit it daily. I wish you the best of luck on your 2020 journey and having these power gemstones empower it. Happy New Year.